like that. And this hair is really soft. Look, I can literally just comb it. All right, y'all, so let's get ready to do these jumbo box braids. Now, this is the hair that I received to do my braids. They sent your girl a lot of stuff. I got some I can put in here already. Okay, a little information booklet. They sent 3 bundles, but they're like doubled. This is a lot of hair. Hot braids. It looked like 2 bundles in one. That's a lot of hair. Oh, what's in here? Okay, all the little essentials you need. Some clips, an edge brush, a comb with the little parting space at the top. Y'all know I love to use my red tail combs when I'm parting my hair. That's the secret to getting them real clean. Okay, and a brush. I like. Okay, so in addition to the bundle hair that I will be using, because these are large box braids, I also will be using some synthetic braiding hair. Now listen, I didn't go to the store because I just knew I had some braiding hair at home, but I didn't know I had just this. So this is all I have for today, so I have to make it enough. Again, like I said, these are going to be large box braids. So I'm going to roughly section out my hair because I need to see how many braids I'm going to have in total, so I can go ahead and section out my synthetic hair to ensure that I have enough. Is this going to be too large? Oh, no. So this will be 2. All right. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay, middle part, and then I need 3 rows. I have to make sure this front section is sectioned off, you know, equally, and then I'll circle it around. I'm using my clips to help me part. You know, they're my third hand to hold the hair up. I think that's even. I'm done with this for now. Oh yeah. Now, this one. Okay. Now let's see. Cool. Now, let me check my middle part. Perfect. Okay, so I have everything sectioned out. Let's get to getting. I'm going to use this braid gel here. Add my edge control to the end of the hair. Add in pretty chunky pieces, maybe like this size. I have 5 of these. I'm going to try to put in every braid. Okay, so when you're doing braids this large, you have to make sure that the hair is like combed through. Okay, that looks pretty flat. So now I'll go ahead and feed in my synthetic hair and then the curly hair. Yeah, my hair is pretty coarse on the ends, so I'm adding more edge control to the ends of my hair. Kind of tuck it in between the synthetic hair too. Now I will start adding pieces of the curly hair. And keep watching because I'm going to give you a close-up shot of how I'm adding in all of this hair. Just want to show you what's going on first. And of course, pull out the curly hair as I work my way down. See this hair that's at the end of the bulk hair? I'm tucking that inside of the braiding hair as well. So I won't have too much to go back through and cut. And putting some of that braid gel. Okay, I'll have this much left at the ends, and I'm going to roll this. So you will need some rods, and then roll this up so that I can dip it, and it can end with a curl. And this is also going to seal the braid so that I don't have to add any nail glue or do a knot at the end, like that. So here's the braid. Okay, she gonna be cute. Alright, so I want baby hair, so I'm going to go ahead and section out my baby hair right quick and mold that down. And I will be using my She's Bone Goo on my edges and around the front of my hairline for the braids. Alright, that's my little rough sketch. So I do like to take my edge control and go all around the parting area. Okay, this is going to be a middle braid here, so let's section this out. Yeah. Now I'll take my glue and put this for my edges, because with my hair, it just lasts longer to put this type of gel on my edges versus the edge control. This is about how much hair I'm using per braid. And I will split this up 3 times so that I can feed it in. And then I'll take sections this size and add in about 5 pieces per braid. Tug it on it pretty tight. Now feed in the synthetic hair. Braid it down a little bit before I grab my second piece of hair. What I do is take the hair, put it on my pointy finger, and grab it so that I can put it inside of the braid. See how it is? Up inside my finger. Kind of turn it a little bit and bring it around. So that's how I add the hair in. Braid that down some. And then again, third and final piece, it's around my finger. Make sure I have it open. It looks like this. Now put it right in between those 2 sections and braid it over. Put some edge control on my hair. Take that braided hair and wrap it around it. And then take a section of my curly hair and I put that directly in between my fingers. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and pull this hair out and just keep braiding down the same way. Okay, again, add my roller. Oh baby, she look good. Baby, let me tell you, these large knotless braids is no joke. They look good. The curls are curling, but my fingers are throbbing. But yeah, my fingers hurt. I find it best to split off the top and then split 2 at the bottom to get the top being the flattest. So I'll pull that top down like that and then pull everything else out. Wrap it around my finger to grip it tighter, like that. See, it's now it's real flat. And then proceed to add in the hair. Like, I really wish I straightened my hair first and I would not be adding all this edge control. I don't care about using the product, it's just annoying. First of all, I'm starting on the second bundle. I still have these 3 right here, plus these 4 to do. They look like this. Cool. Woo! I'm really trying to get this right, and I'm just struggling. Maybe I do it underhand. Let's try it that way because, baby, woo! A little bit more, a little bit more. Let's try it this way. Whew! I did it. Now let's proceed. I'm telling you, next time I do large braids, I'm going to straighten my hair first. I'm not playing. Bring the front up. Grip it, grip it, grip it. Grip it. Pull it. Is that better? can't tell if I'm pulling on it still. All right, that would do. That's good enough. It still looks good, so I'm okay with that. Wow. Let me finish. And just like that, a batch is done. So full. But yeah. The braids eat, baby. Looking fine as can be. Yeah, I think I'm gonna dip my ends tomorrow too, because honestly, I've had enough for one day. It's what? It's 7 o'clock. And I'm smart. I hope I can do this in 2-3 hours. No ma'am. How about 5.5 hours to do these large knotless? You know, working with this bulk human hair is very time consuming. Let me say that. And then I started over. I gotta make sure I didn't cut all these little pieces. And then I started a couple braids over, you know, just to make sure it was how I wanted them. And it's starting to thunder. I'm sure lightning is coming next. So I need to cut these lights out. Show's over. See you tomorrow. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. And then I did dip my rods in hot water. They look real good and fluffy, but I did go through and added mousse to each one, you know, just to help define my curl. And that's why they look more like this versus fluffy like this. All right, before I comb it out, let me show you guys how it look so you can see. See, this is how my curls look defined with the mousse. See here, I have some really nice spirals going on. And this is 2 packs. I touched a little bit of the 3rd pack, but not enough to say 2.5. But 2 full packs here, and plus they was like double bundled. So I say 4. But yeah, overall, here's the finished look. Wow, this was just not white. What? I sprayed that heat protectant because it be coming off a little glossy. Why is it doing that to me? What the? That's weird, but like I was saying, get into the parts, baby. Okay, but yeah, y'all get it, y'all see it. Okay, now let me make it extra fluffy right quick. I'm gonna comb out the curls because I did put that mousse on it. That's why most of the time you watch my braided videos, I do not be adding product. Like, give me the volume, baby. Yeah, everything but this little synthetic hair at the end. Alright, and then this is what I'm talking about. Which one y'all like better? Y'all like the curls more defined or you like it more fluffy? For me, I'm gonna have to go with the fluffy look. Yes, they large knotless, but look at all these curls. I love it. Let me take some of this color corrector because why is this white? What on God's green earth is going on? And this hair is really soft. Look, I can literally just comb it. Just comb it, baby. And they eat, baby. They eat. See the curls?